boy.
This is one of my favorite places in Newport Beach. This is where I come and I'll go on a walk, I'll go on a run, and I'm also one of those people who have a tendency to keep things with me. So if I get emails, if I get messages, if I get DMs from people, I come here and I think about it. And I got a message from a girl named Stephanie, and no, Stephanie's not her real name. I asked if I would be able to share her email because I feel like a lot of people struggle with the same thing, myself included at times. So let's see if we read a little bit into this and see if it resonates with you. So she says, I feel super pathetic for messaging you, but I'm at a loss. I'm at a loss with my business and I have this paralyzing fear that it's all been for nothing. It's going nowhere. After a couple years of pretty great business, I feel like everything has come to a halt. Bookings are down, people who inquire don't even respond, and then this morning I had a cancellation. Why did they cancel? I don't know. I have a sneaking suspicion that they've decided to go with somebody else, and you know what? I don't blame them. I was so busy the last year that my website fell by the wayside and my blog is non-existent. I'm more than aware that all of my competition is out there and I need to be on my A game, but hot damn, it is hard. To put it plainly, this year it became obvious that my head is not big enough to wear all the hats that I need to wear that comes with owning my own business. I read this note and I thought to myself, Stephanie isn't alone. So many of us get to the end of the year or beginning of the following year, and then you come to the realization that all of your hard work, had it been for 7 months or 7 years to get your business to where it is, there's no such thing as being like, I'm gonna take a step back. I'm gonna rest on my laurels. Why? There are other people who are willing to out-hustle, outgrow, and outdo anything you have the possibility of doing. Should this be like overwhelming? No, it should be inspirational that you have worked so hard that things are actually going in your way. So what do you need to do if you feel like Stephanie? Heck, I wrote her back an email and I gave her some advice. But let me share with you her advice. What is she gonna do after she just kind of like let everything out in email and said, my business is not where it should be going? Emailed her, dropped a few lines, and this is how she responded, which moved me. I actually came to the Back Bay here and I gave a little bit of gratitude for Stephanie. I have someone building me a new website, I have tons of ideas for blog posts, and I've got my Instagrams planned. Now I just have to have the faith. I have to have the faith that this is going to get me somewhere, and that with hard work, determination, and grit, that I too can have a successful and thriving business. That's Stephanie's response after realizing that the capacity to get better, to change, and build the business that she wants dwells entirely within her. And it dwells entirely within you if you've ever felt the same way as Stephanie. I hope you start this new year ready for great things and understand that with hard work, determination, and grit, you absolutely can get all the things you really desire for your business too.